Launched in September 1936, the USS Enterprise, or Big E, was the most decorated warship of WWII with 20 battle stars. This powerhouse carrier played a defining role in key Pacific battles like Midway, Guadalcanal, and Iwo Jima. Enterprise's air group dealt critical blows, sinking 4 Japanese carriers at Midway alone. With over 18,000 sorties launched and 900 enemy aircraft destroyed, its impact was monumental. The ship's resilience is legendary. Despite sustaining damage, it completed 20 combat missions, losing only 22 pilots and 40 aircraft. Awarded both the Presidential Unit Citation and the Navy Unit Commendation, the Enterprise stands unmatched. From launching the first strike against Japan to its decommissioning in 1947, the Big E remains a symbol of American naval power and the bravery of its crew.